has a quick belt change system where you can go from a 40 grit to a 120 grit, polishing or knife sharpening, whatever belt you'd like, in a matter of seconds. See how fast it tears down that spike? We're going to work off the platen now for flat grinding. The free strap underneath will follow the contour of metal. Then you have the rubber contact wheel right up front. Spike that's been grinded down with a 40 grit and take it to a 120 grit. With just a few seconds, you can see how smooth it's getting. Now this is a 220 grit metal finishing Trizact belt. Now you can see the 220 is getting a smoother finish on the spike. Now this is a 1200 grit Trizact, also great for sharpening knives. You can see the smooth finish the 1200 grit puts on it. So now we have a 3M polishing belt, and we're going to put a polish on the spike. A little bit of rouge. You apply the rouge with half of the belt and then clean the rouge off with the other clean half of the belt, and you can get a near mirror finish from a rusty old railroad spike.